Let me get my stream link. Yesterday it was a really good stream. I but yeah, I don't know why I cannot stream earlier. I know why, but Jesus Christ, it's been hard to stream at a decent time because I have a lot of work, and when I get home, I need to do other things. Waiting for the link for the stream to pop up. Live, come on, YouTube. Ah, perfect. So getting this at everyone. Spy the decomp stream. So what I wanted to say first and foremost is that yesterday I got these fixed, which is really cool. Basically I just had to spill into a local variable. I tried this, but I failed because I was not using the class variable. I was using the argument. That's why I was getting different assembly. But I did this for everything, and now it worked. But yeah, and it was suggested by Chippy, so as always, you should get the credit. But yeah, so yesterday it was interesting because, you know, I did simple texture ribbon, right? But simple texture ribbon is subtype of special display. Oh, it only has two. I think they are done. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. That's fine, that's fine. See non-render, the same thing. Wow. Most of these are quite uneventful. C flat bit. Wow. Am I missing a lot of methods or what? Nope. Okay. Maybe not. Linked end-to-end bit. There's a ribbon bit here. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, this is fine. This is something that needs to be done. Ribbon bit. Yeah, okay. There's none, so see ribbon. Nice. Right here, and I think this is the constructor of ribbon bit. Yeah, okay, this is indeed the constructor of ribbon bit. So, as you might imagine, it's basically empty stuff. That's fine. But yeah, today when I when I got home, I was ranting a little. To do this, so delayed a little my stream. What do I need? Oh yeah, Python 3 Tools Pro JSON bit. And what do I need? Oh, move list. That's an interesting one. What I need is C ribbon bit. Perfect. Have I done so bit CPP? Okay. So move. So one of the most important things to do this. Okay. And apparently it's just doing this, right? Maybe I'll take the destructor out for the time being. I can include it. Ribbon bits. Perfect. Yeah, so export C ribbon bit, void, and then virtual destructor. Scheiße. Okay, good. Perfect. Should be built now. So I need to look into C ribbon. I do. So I need to look it through here. So while looking here, the C vector. Maybe I didn't get everything here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the code is not matching, but that's fine. It's from C ribbon, right? Okay. So this is okay. There's nothing for me to do there. C ribbon bit C ribbon. And the destructor. Through here. Okay, it's also empty. So ribbon bit. Let's clear this. And look at me now. Oh. What? Oh. Okay. Um, let's do this. Okay, matching because there's no code here, right? So I can do the same code. But what I'll need to do, link them to an bit, yeah. Wait. Did I forget to do the fucking destructor of this thing? Virtual C linked void. Perfect. Okay. So the destructor is pretty simple to do, right? Delete from. Perfect. So I need to do this. Maybe I chose the wrong types for this, but I. Wait, what? Oh yeah, true. The problem is that I forgot this. What? Function not called. What? What is the problem here? Okay, it already has a body, really? It doesn't. Whoa. What is the fucking problem, man? I'm going crazy. Perfect. What is the fucking What? It's 3 hours. I cannot understand what's the issue. Okay, it builds. Maybe I had a typo or something. Yeah, I definitely had a typo or something there because, whatever. I'm missing the fucking destructor. Ribbon bits. Yeah, thank you. Ah, something is weird. Wait, did I call attached to? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, God, I was so confused, man. I'm like, this doesn't look like delete from. Oh God, it looked so much like what's it called? Attached to, and I'm like, nah, this cannot be. Can recognize these functions by looking at them, but even looking at that, I was like, no, I did not make a mistake until it was impossible. Yeah, not to make a mistake. Okay. C into and the bit. Okay. Now let's take a look at move. Really, there's no move. Okay, that's right. Okay. Um Special display, non-rendered, yes, yes, okay. Think ribbon has more methods or not? Yeah. Wait. Move, set position. I do set position. I don't know. No, I didn't do. See ribbon. Okay, let's. So see ribbon. Feel free it, right? Set position, okay. Sport void set position. See vector. It's the first time that I'm using references, but since I was told that it can generate different assembly, I'm now much more cautious. Yeah, this looks perfect. Yoink. It's fine. Nothing here to see. Let me just start Windows Terminal. Probably one of the slowest terminals in the world. People that worked on it were PhD students, so you know that when a simple thing involves PhD, someone overcomplicated, but they are too proud to admit that they fucked up. Yeah, this looks way more readable than 64. Alrighty-o. I'm Frankensteining this. So I32 and minus, that's cool. First things first. Okay. Okay, this looks like simple stuff. Oh, I didn't put music today. I'll put after I finish this one. 58 equals this, and bits I equals this endpoint this. Oh no, fill 58, yeah, okay. So it's literally this. Okay. Missing some. What is the issue? Cannot see the issue. What is the? Oh yeah, right here. Oh my god, my bad. The error was I was given on the next line. Okay. Position. Good. Okay, this looks good. Just look at here at the bottom. What's the size of this? The size is 9A. And this, okay, the size is the same, but I'll use my trusted diff checker online. So yeah, it's easier to have the machine look at this and say these are the same than to do it by hand. By hand, I can miss a couple things. Yeah, these blocks are equal. What about these blocks? Here and here. Perfect. And just for the shits and giggles, these should also be matching. Yeah, okay. My god, what a perfect function to do. My god, I'm so happy that this is actually matching. So, okay, matching. No more small to-dos here. Or so it seems. Smoke trail. Motion blur. See motion. I can do this. Wait, did I do it already? Yes, I did it. But that's not the reason why I should be here. I should be because of this. Yeah. True, 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 true. So, motion blur. Right. See motion blur. And that's just it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh shit, I didn't even run the validation, but since both assembly pieces of assembly code were matching, then it's fine. Motion blur, illegal global destructor. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's. Oh, I made a label. Okay, now I understand why the code even built like that. So let's take a look at motion blur. Motion blur. God, this is a big one. So it's easier to go through here. Now, yeah, exactly. Go here, and yeah, okay. There's something weird. So motion blur might belong to another file, right? So you see that, right? Where the fuck is this? So motion blur start. Probably it belongs to bit. Curious that bit did not get in line here. Okay, I give it an okay. Note. Strand that flat bit was not in line. Reason. It's weird. Git commit C motion blur. Maybe it's the opposite. Maybe it's the opposite, right? Maybe if because it's auto-generated. Maybe it's because it's auto-generated, right? So if I go here and delete this, and go to motion blur and delete it, like so, maybe because it's auto-generated, it will generate it once in line. And if that's the case, that will be crazy. So I can go to see motion blur. Come on, man. Here, so the move. This one. True. So it's not generated. Wow. Okay, this is a great discovery. I'm just writing this so I don't forget. Now it makes sense. Okay. Okay. Note. This is missing from the original game because C flat beat is not in line. Okay, but I can commit it. Fuck it. If I did not attempt to do it, then I wouldn't have Creator new. Perfect. See frag. See pixel. Is C pixel that small? It is. Okay. Pane. Chunk bits. Okay. I have something like chunk control. I do. Come on, man. Do I have move list though? I do have move list. God damn. Looks like I've done most of it. Fiery explosion. Fuck. Ooh. Nope. Okay. Do I have the move though? Why don't I have the move? Export, virtual, move, void, override. Override it's because I use modern C++ and using other compilers, so. So if you want to do move, it's like so. So. Found one to do. Sorry. Explosion. Here's the V table, and here's. Ooh, it's in line, that thing. Okay. So it's basically this. Crazy. Okay. I'll just copy this and put it here. Okay. I have no idea what's the point of doing all of this. Sure, this age is 5. No worries. So replace all A1s with this. Perfect. And the braces is die. Okay. This should be a super simple one to validate. 86 errors. That's virtual. Oh yeah, true. Virtual void move. Then it's void here, and now it should work fine. Push EZI, yes. Perfect. 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 This is just perfect. Okay. So fiery explosion. Move. Great. Okay. It's cool that I'm visiting all the classes. So Guru Ribbon, I believe it has a lot more, right? Where the heck? Okay. Shit, this place is huge. About set RGB though. What? Only this? Nah. Grab C Guru Ribbon. Wait. No. What? She needs part of weapons. For some reason. Set RGB. Okay, it's okay. I can consider it done. Okay, whatever. Ribley. Oh yeah, I'm on the wrong file. Only those. Ah, it's Ribley. Really, this is not hard to do. Come on. This is super doable. Come on. I'm just being lazy. UChar, and so it's in so it's 3 and it's integers all. Okay, whatever. Oh, so 8C 84 90 94. Okay. Why does this think it's a grow ribbon? Is it well? There's nothing that points it to be a grow ribbon. So you can. Okay. For C. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I can take these. Okay. And then I'll need to work on it. My bad. Okay. Great. Okay. Looks good. Here it works different, so field 80 seaweed blade. 90. Okay. So yeah, and there's even field 94, so it's great. Now I need to add this to validation. 80. So 4. Okay. Let's run some validation on this site. Just waiting for it to build. Nice. Okay, validation succeeded. This is good to see. And now this field 48. Okay. I was a little concerned about that. Huh. So set RGB is called with A. Okay. Now it's time to do the call to set RGB. This set RGB 8, 2, 3, and 5. Gee, okay. Okay. The first it's equal to the last. Okay. 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 Set width. Okay. Hmm. Do 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 do. Um. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, and this set car 10, 21, 20, 8 divided by 80. And what I need is set car here be in line. Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on the music. Jesus. Yeah, okay. This is fine. What? Oh, true. Okay. Okay. I'm so confused. Mm-hmm. Hey, good. Looks good. See Weebly. Please be. Oh my god. There's more locals here though. What? Let's just take a look at here. The amount of inline is crazy. Um, so there's a problem. The minus 16 thing. Uh, so where the fuck is the minus 16 thing? Right here. Maybe I messed up. So I think I messed up. Oh yeah, here. You can see where I messed up. Okay, I had a typo there, as you can see. This could go unnoticed forever, you know. So I'm diffing on another screen. Okay, here it is. Yeah, perfect. It's basically, it's matching. Oh my god, I got C Weebly too much. Two, two, two. Two, 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 two. And I have moved. I don't know why I labeled it as. Oh, yeah, okay, I understand. God damn. Yo, I don't have C Spark. Why is C Spark missing though? Perfect, so it's a C pixel. Okay, okay, okay. For C. So the way to do it, just create a new C Spark for B. Make the C pixel. Pixel. Nothing. Wow, incredible. So how can I find it? C pixel. If I can find C pixel, then I. That's fine. Yeah, right here. That's it. Yes, yes. Okay, exactly. Right here. Yeah. Come on, man. Spark, vector, that, and yeah, integers. That's fine. G Spark RGB. I don't know how that got. I need to fix this. Oh my god, they have values. Okay, that's not what I want. Of course they have values. Ah, the fuck. Okay, export U8 G Spark RGB. Oh no, they have values. No. Okay, so G Spark RGBs. Wait, I can do this. Voila. Oh, beautiful. In the meantime, let's add here CSpark, right? So CSpark is a C pixel. Public Spark. Perfect. So here are all the methods from CSpark. This virtual good with that. Great. So this is exactly what I need. See? So yeah. So wait, I need the validation method. Validate. So validate size, CSpark. Size should be for C. Great. Okay. And hey, that's funny, man. Oh, Jesus. Não estava à espera, receber um comentário deles. Oh. So I need 16, that's 10, and next. Okay, done. So... Oh yeah, I did not validate this. Okay, let me do this again. Every single day I find out new things to do. It's insane. Spark RGB. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Perfect. Now it works. RGB. Okay. I can set it to matching. Okay. I was not paying attention to the chat. It's so funny, man. Oh, I get the most random comments. There's a. Oh yeah, I did not check the this guy. Okay, this is perfect. This is what I expected to see. So I guess this is the same thing over here. So here, right? Spark. Yeah. Copy this. Okay. It's for 3 times. Okay. I can move this to the top. Actually, I don't need to move all of them, just one. RGB. 4, 4, 4. I have no idea what this is, but what is this? Charlie, wait. Okay, it's important to tag whatever I do, the global variables too. Maybe I do that. I will do the tree-seater thing sooner than. uh, okay. Thank God this thing made me revisit the Spark RGB thing. Spark RGB. Yeah, AL, CL, DL. Perfect. So I can mark it as it's the same thing. Okay, exactly. So how can I fix this? Matching. Spark. What should I do now? Oh yeah, the C Spark. Yeah. So maybe I can start with the easiest part, which is the destructor. Yeah, there's nothing to do in the destructor. So I can just do this, okay, matching. Maybe the next one should be move, because interesting. Okay, maybe I'll do the constructor first. Do not jump too far ahead. So 40, 37 plus 5. Okay, this is done here. Now I can look for spark here. The spark. Okay, fixed. Some silly things are happening. Why is this one in reverse order and this in proper order? Only God will know. But yeah, spark size. Okay. There's nothing here that's of interest. Oh yeah, since, okay. 3b8. 3b8. Let's do it this way. Okay. 43. Hmm. Okay, anything else is our function call. Yeah, okay, they are function calls. Except this bottom thing. Calculate spark velocity. Maybe I can do the calculate spark velocity first. It's only used here, so I'm cooked. So it takes a c vector and takes an integer. Where does this belong to? To bit, right? Yeah, it belongs to bit. Okay. Yes. Why did I make this thing static in the first place? Calculate spark. Yeah, right here, this one. I created an item yesterday exactly for this. And yeah, I want to honor it. Mm-hmm. Perfect. So this is the G-Spark trajectory cone right here. And it's CS vector. Yes. Okay, be right back. Need to do something. Let me just put a... Yeah, be right back. Okay. All good. Hmm. Think I understand what's going on. Okay. So the problem here is that this should be a CS vector. Much better. Okay. Let's keep this in mind. Uh, G spark trajectory. Okay. So if G spark trajectory cone Vx G spark trajectory Vx1. Okay. So this is, I just need to duplicate this. And here replace Vx with Vy. Perfect. And same thing here. Replace Vx with Vz. So util get vec from magdir a1, a2, v11. This should be enough. Cannot convert from C vector to C vector pointer. I guess like this. Okay, weird. Maybe I should change the code. Okay. Validate line in line. Is actually Spark like this? I don't think so. Yeah, okay. Need to improve this. Mm-hmm. Oh my. Okay, be right back. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Sorry for the delay, but my god. I ate for lunch some Indian food and oh my god. My god. It was now to pay the dues. So this is the opposite. This is V11. Okay, this looks good. Let me just try to build this. What's the problem, C-Spark? So I'll just add a padding one at the end. Oh, what? Padding one, great. Let's run the... for B, but got for A. Oh, true. Okay, this is wrong. Thank God I have validation because helps me catch these bugs. I'm quite surprised that Like 3 bytes of. Yeah, there's like a V table. Well, okay. Ah, yeah, true, true. And the offsets are all messed up here. What the I don't understand why. Yeah, like 3, okay, this, that. Maybe I'm the one that's being a goofy person. Not understanding how. Could it be that this is like. Um. Let me just do the. No, no. Fucking hell, I'm being an idiot. Okay. Let's just load the thing. I believe that might be related to the signedness of stuff. I should revisit it though. Oh yeah, okay, see pixel. There's indeed this here, I have no idea what it is, what is it about. I'm quite confused about this, to be honest. Types, I actually have the Spark here. Let me, oh, let me open Ghidra and get help on this. But so Spark. There's something strange here. I need to fix Ghidra. So type, so this should start at 54. That's 84. That's good. Ah, tag. Okay, so there's only 3 fields in here. To look at cpixel. Okay, okay. You're sure about that? Oh yeah, okay. Hmm. Hmm. So they moved it around. So this thing should be the width height. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. This is okay. So this belongs to cpixel. That's what I'm being shown. Tag R0 G0 B0 code M with height. And then if I go to Spark, I can define here a cpixel. So that's supposed to be the tag. Okay. Fuck. Gap B. Okay. So this is the tag. That's the code. G0 M with height. Yeah, now it makes more sense. Wow. So go here to cpixel. Yoink. Perfect. Now if I go to cpixel, 3D. Maybe it needs to be like this. Okay. This 3C is actually tag. I have no idea what that means. Sure. So if it's just more moved down. Pixel, I mean. C Spark. So now the other ones are M fade R, M fade G, M fade. Perfect. But now this makes way more sense. No, this is exactly the same. Okay, so my code builds, right? I still want this to, okay. So what I'll need to go do is go to cpixel and cpixel. Introduce all the missing things. Tag. I think they made some changes when they ported the. Come on, Windows 11. Such a dog shit experience, man. Okay, if I do this. Five errors. What 5 errors did I create? Conversion errors. Va. Oh yeah, that's true. So fiery spark. Okay, this is good. This means that Okay. Oh no. Where does fiery spark come from? Simbi, okay. Hmm. I need to put this on the other screen and fix it. So I have a bunch of errors in 285. Nice. Okay, so git diff. I don't need bit cpp then. Actually, I can do this. Yes. No. No. Validation is passing, as you can see here. Okay, now I still have CSpark stuff to do. Oh yeah, with RGB. I need to completely redo this. At least it makes more sense. Okay, what else do I need? Oh yeah, this guy. G. Ah no, no, no. Oh yeah, no, no. This is correct. Okay. 6 errors. C declaration M fade R. Yeah, I didn't save this. It should be fine. I was basing my knowledge on this. You can see. Oh, Spark semi-trans. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. It's just register allocation. I won't trip too much. Yeah, okay. Interesting. I can. Hmm. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Okay. My bad. Hmm. Spark trajectory. Okay. Yeah, okay, I literally have the proper name. Okay. Yes, it has to do with other. So, G spark trajectory, right? Uh, it's just called spark trajectory. Spark trajectory. Yeah. Good, okay. Not going to complain. Should I finish for today or can it keep going? Can probably do the destructor of C-Spark now. Yeah, of course. Oh, but I've done it already. Maybe moved. Alright, here. Okay. So this is just manually enrolled like that. So let's do the move. So these and position. Right. Perfect. This. And this with the. Yeah, like this. The friction thing. Is basically what the friction is doing. Yeah, cannot be in line, yeah. Okay. So these die. Yeah, they are swapped around. I can tell now. That makes more sense. What? Yeah, they swapped this around for some reason. Not a big deal. How did they do that? Good. Let's just build this and validate this. Let's get. Of course, fucking hell. No. Spider, don't save. Overwrite. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, I need to stop streaming soon. Hmm. Hmm. Now, this big blob, I need to validate it. Do it here. This. Maybe this helps. But I'm confused how that got in lines. But I know that the friction is set to 3. But looks like they did the friction manually. So. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot the side. Maybe this will help. Or not. Already got it, to be honest. Oh, I think I got it too much. Oh, I think I got it too much. The register allocation looks dope. Yeah, okay. I got it too much. Git status. Yeah, try Linux. I can't believe that Tony Hawk Pro Skater was useful today. I was not expecting that. I thought this was Spider-Man related, but no. Good. Let's just validate it here. Great. Stop this. How many did I do today? Ooh, we're getting closer to the 2000 commit. Oh, I forgot to set it to matching, but okay, it doesn't matter. Yep. I think they replaced that with a structure or something like that. Or they did it for Spider-Man. Not sure. I don't think they really will go through the trouble of doing that. This is cool. I don't know if I exhausted everything here, but I can still look at bit 2 and Betty. My god, this felt good. Deleting code feels good. Windows. It's still building. Oh yeah, I cannot forget to do the most important thing. So, which is the backup. If you need the IDVs, just ask me. So, save. This I can throw away. Save. Perfect. Okay. Done. Just waiting for this to finish. Okay. So everything's done. So I'd like to remind everyone that I have a blog post from March. You should go there to learn more about it, on how the project is going. Let me show something that might be cool to see. So this is basically how much work I have planned. Doesn't mean that doesn't mean there isn't more stuff beyond this. Just means that for the near future, these are the things that I want to take a look at. But yeah, I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening and see you tomorrow.